Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel. Yes guys, so this video is very important for you all because I am going to tell you that how can you remove your hesitation, how can you gain the confidence. Okay, so I would like to request you all that guys, do not skip the video, try to watch till the end. Okay guys, so one question which comes in our mind that how can we remove our hesitation, how can we gain confidence. Okay, so one thing I would like to tell you guys, if you have a lot of knowledge, if you are a knowledgeable person, if you have content, if you have remembered many things, if you have studied a lot of things, it doesn't mean if you do not have confidence, that is totally wastage for you. Let me give an example. If I talk about myself, right now I am making a video, right now I am speaking before you. Why? Because of confidence I am able to speak before you. If I had not had confidence, I would not have spoken before you all guys. So it means that confidence helps you to build your personality, to enhance your skill. It means that confidence is very important for us. Let me give you one more example. Just like if I talk about our honorable prime minister Mr. Narendra Modi, like he speaks before thousands of people, he speaks before lakh of people. It means that why? Because of confidence he is able to speak before the audience. It doesn't mean that you are speaking in Hindi or you are speaking in English. Confidence means confidence. You are able to represent yourself, you are able to speak before anyone. You do not think that who is standing before you and how many people are standing before you. Confidence means that you are able to tackle the situation and you are able to speak before anyone. Okay, so that means the confidence. Now I have explained that confidence helps you a lot. If you are preparing for any exam, if you are preparing for any interview, so at that point confidence helps you a lot guys. Really I am telling this. Why? Because suppose if an interviewer is before you and you are not able to handle the situation, you are not able to reply his question, it means that you have a lack of confidence and you are not going to be selected at that point in that interview. So it means that why? Because at that point you need confidence. Okay, and most of the people, what do we want? We want to settle ourselves in a smart city, in big city. So in that area, in that place, what you need confidence. Suppose if you are working in any company and you are going to explain, you are going to present something and 10 people, 20 people, 50 people are there, so what will you do? You need confidence at that point. You have to speak fluently, you have to speak confidently, then you are going to get the good impression. Okay, so it means that confidence is very important for us guys. Okay, yeah, we all have some career, we all have some aim, we all have some goal, we want to become something. If I want to go in government sector, if I want to become an army officer, if I want to join NDA, BSF, CISF, I want to like open business, everywhere you need confidence. In business you have to handle the customer, you need confidence to communicate with them, you need their communication skill, you need their confidence level. Okay, and in army, like if you are captain, if you are major, so 10, 50 officers, 100 officer will work under you. So at that point you have to lead them, you have to order them, you have to command them. If you do not have confidence, so how are you going to order, how are you going to command, how are you going to lead your officers? So it is a matter of your country, it is a matter of protection of your country, so you need their confidence. Are you getting? So yes guys, without wasting time, I would like to tell you that listen to me carefully, that what are the keywords, what are the process which you follow and you can gain the confidence. The first thing which I have written, a smartphone. Everyone has a smartphone, we all have a smartphone. Do you agree or not? Everyone has a smartphone, but what do? We do not use it in a good way, we just waste our time. A smartphone helps us a lot guys, really I am telling you. How? Suppose, let me first of all tell you, suppose if you have to speak on any topic, suppose if you have to speak on any topic, just like let me take an example, social media. Okay, you want to speak on social media. Okay, So first of all, what you have to do, just listen to me carefully, guys. Please do not skip the video, okay? Like suppose you have planned that you have to speak on social media. So what you have to do, you have to just write the points in your copy, whatever you have to speak. First of all, write down the all points, all the keywords, whatever you have to speak, and just remember the points. One thing is also there, like there are some benefits if you write something. What are the benefits? Listen to me carefully. If you are writing something, it means that your handwriting will be improved. The first advantage. The second advantage is that whatever you will write, you will speak also. That it means that your speaking skill will be also improved, and whatever you will speak, you will listen to that also. It means that listening skill is also improving. Okay, so three merits are there. One more merit is also there. Whatever the points which you are speaking, and if you are speaking those points, it will take you 15 minutes to remember, 20 minutes to remember, because whatever the points which you will speak, it will go in your mind, you can memorize all the points. So these are the advantages, merits to remember something. Are you getting? To write something, okay? So first of all, suppose like if I have written on social media, after writing I have remembered, just check yourself that have you remembered all the points or not. If you are forgetting 2 lines or 3 lines, just do not do that. First of all, try to remember all the points whatever you have written in your copy. After remembering, after memorizing all the points, what you have to do, just you have to close your copy, just take your phone, smartphone, and open your video mode, just start recording your video. Keep your phone somewhere. In that case, that phone will capture you, that phone will record your video. Okay, so just like suppose I have kept my phone before me. Now I am going to start the. Okay guys, I'm just giving you practical example. How will you do? Suppose I have kept my phone before myself. Okay, now I am going to start on my topic. Social media. What is the meaning of social media? Social media, there are a lot of platforms which are available on social media: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Social media helps us to build our career. Social media helps us to gain more and more information. Okay, so like whatever the points which I have remembered, and whatever the points which I will speak before my phone, so all whatever the points which I am going to speak, it will capture, it will record my video, it will record my points. And after speaking, after finishing my speech, what I have to do, just I have to take my phone and I have to check the video, that where have I committed, where have I made the mistake. So in that case, you do not require any person, you do not require any teacher, your brother, your friend, no one. Now you have phone. And what happens, like it is our human nature. Suppose if your teacher is standing before you, so he will just ignore your mistakes, he will not rectify your mistake. But the phone, whatever the mistake which you have committed, every mistake will be in your video. Like whatever the mistake which you have committed, what you can do, you can just pause the video and you can check that I spoke I am play cricket, ये गलती आपने किया. So you can just write it down the point that here, like 1.25 second, at that point I committed a mistake. I said that I am play cricket, I should not say I am play cricket. What should be there? I am playing cricket. So in that case, you will be able to get your mistakes, that where have you committed your mistakes, and you will be able to face the camera. You will be able to remove your hesitation at that point. Two things will be there. The first thing is that you will gain your confidence, and the second thing is that you will get to know your each and every mistake. Are you getting? So this will help you a lot, guys. Really, I am telling you, just try this idea, just apply this, just implement this idea. Really, it is going to help you. The first thing was that a smartphone. Okay. Now the second keyword is that mirror. Mirror. How it helps in our life. Everyone has mirror in our house. Mirror is there. Okay, just what you require, a big mirror. In that case, you are able to see yourself. Okay, so what you have to do, the next task which you have to do is that you have to prepare on one topic. again on another topic, suppose I want to speak on education. So what I will do, I will prepare the points on education. Whatever I have to speak about education, I will write it down, I will remember all the points. In that case, I am not going to forget one line, I am not going to forget one sentence. So you have to do, first of all, these things. You have to remember all the points whatever you have written in your copy. Okay, are you ready? So suppose I have written, I have prepared the points on education, and after writing down, I have remembered, I have memorized the points whatever I have written about education. Like suppose, like I have prepared, I have remembered on education, now I am ready to speak. Suppose like there is a mirror which is before me, मेरे सामने mirror है. Okay, before का मतलब होता है के सामने, ठीक है. There is a mirror before me. Now what I have to do, I have to start speaking on the topic on which I have prepared. Just like, and one thing which you have to keep in your mind, guys, that you have to maintain eye contact with yourself. Okay, so what I have to do, education plays an important role in humans life. Just like that, you have to start, and you have to see in the mirror, you have to stand before the mirror, and you have to maintain eye contact with yourself. Now there is a big challenge which you will face, that guys, you will not be able to maintain eye contact with yourself. I am true, I am not telling a lie, it is the fact. Actually, whatever the keywords, whatever the points which I am sharing to you guys, I have applied all those things, and really it helped me a lot. So if I talk about my experience when I used to speak before the mirror, then really let me tell you guys, I was not able to speak before the mirror because I had a lack of confidence, and I used to shiver a lot, I used to fumble a lot when I used to speak before the mirror. So what will you find, that in first trial, in second trial, in third trial, you will not be able to speak, you will not be able to maintain eye contact with yourself. So what you have to do, guys, at that point you have to not give up. What you have to do, you have to try again. Just, it will take 5 try, it will take 6 try, it will take 10 try. But after 10 or 12 trials, you will see that, you will observe that you are able to maintain eye contact with yourself. When you are able to maintain eye contact with yourself, it means that you have gained a confidence, you are able to speak, you are able to speak without fumbling. Now it means that you have gained a little bit confidence. So what you have to do, you have to not do it for one day. Just, guys, what you have to do, just make a rule, make a routine that you have to do it for 30 days. Every day, guys. One thing I must say, that if you want to achieve something, if you want to gain something, you have to work hard. Without working hard, you cannot do anything. Really, I am telling you that if a thief has to steal something, then he has to work hard also. He has to plan that how can he steal money from that house. He has to take a lot of risk also. It means that you cannot achieve anything, you cannot do anything without hard work. Okay, so you have to do hard work, you have to make a routine, that you have to prepare one topic every day, and it will be continuing for 30 days, and every day you have to follow this process. First of all, open your phone, use the smartphone. After that, second, just use your mirror and try to speak on the topic which you have prepared, guys. Okay, so these are the keywords which is going to help you guys. Just, I must say that do not follow it for 1 day or 2 days, just follow it for 30 days, 40 days, then it will help you. Then you will find that now I am able to speak before the public, now I have gained some confidence. Okay, so now this is the basic things which I have told you just to gain a little confidence. But one thing which I must say, that if you want to gain more and more confidence, if you want to become a public speaker, then what you have to do, guys, just take part in any program, just take part in any competition, and at that point just try to check yourself, just try to check your level, that are you capable to speak before the people or not. But like if you have taken part in competition and if you have not performed well, so please do not quit, do not give up, do not think that I am not very good speaker, I do not know. Please do not say these lines. Just think that you have checked your level, you have come to know about yourself that you are not capable to speak. So what you have to do, you have to work hard, you have to work on yourself. In that case, from next time you will be able to speak before anyone without fumbling, without shivering. Are you getting? So try to take part in competition. If you are studying in college, if you are studying in an institution, if you are studying in anywhere that like they organize competition, they organize program, so try to take part in that. Try to become an anchor, just take this role, just play this role. In that case guys, you will be able to gain a lot of confidence. And one thing which I must say that guys, try to be positive. Never bring a negative thing in your mind, because it can harm you, it can spoil your career. Always be positive. And I must say two lines that we do not fail. If there is any program, if there is any competition, if there is an exam, so what happens, we either we pass or we learn. We do not fail in the exam, we do not fail in the competition. How? I have been not selected for the competition, if I have been not selected for the interview, it doesn't mean that I do not know. I will get to know that I have a lack of confidence, I have a lack of knowledge in that area, in that sector, and I have to work upon that. So it means that you are going to you are going to know about yourself, that where should you work. Are you getting? So it means that do not think that I will fail. No, you are going to learn or you are going to win. It will happen only. You are not going to fail anytime. And try to learn from the failure always. Okay, where they committed mistake, and you should not commit the same mistake which he or she has committed. Are you getting guys? So these things which is very important for you, I must say that guys, it will really help you. Just try to implement, just try to apply, and you will see the result, you will see the consequences. Okay, so yes guys, so that's all from my side. Yes guys, I must say that if you like my video, just do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you do these things, if you share my video and if you like my video, so it encourages me to make more videos for you all, and just keep supporting. In that case, I will make more and more video to help you all to build your confidence and spread more and more information among you all. Okay, so that's all. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself everyone. Jai Hind.